How you doing? It's Ryan with First in Emergency Products. We're doing a little market update for you. Our replacement floors, which are required on all the new model vehicles, SUVs, to mount your cabinet to. We're changing our freight class, which increased our freight costs. So in order to help you guys out, we've gone through and we've redesigned our replacement floor into a two-piece design. Doesn't really change any much other than just a little bit more install time. But what it's doing is it's reducing the profile for shipping, which is gonna reduce your freight costs. And what we've also done is we've made a more standardized bolt pattern for mounting your cabinets to. So what that also does is we're stocking them now. So they're gonna be able to be immediately shipped and have that product available. So they're gonna be on the shelf ready to go. They're not gonna be going through production with your cabinet or on another order. So that will help reduce your lead times on getting these out if you're interested in just ordering a replacement floor. And these are gonna be available on our Chevy Tahoe that you see here, our Suburban, and our Expedition platforms. These hopefully will help you out with giving you a little bit better of a lead time and get product out the door for you. As you can see, this is the floor in the two separate pieces. You can see on the right here, this is how they're gonna be shipping to you. Bundled, ready to go, and you'll just need to basically assemble them from there and install them, and on your way you'll go. What you can do is you can scan the below QR code, and that'll bring you to the new updated installation instructions if you want to get an idea of what the install is going to consist of. We're looking out for you. We're trying to do the best thing that we can because freight, we don't have any control over it. It's unfortunately a pass-through price. But we're trying to do what we can to reduce those costs for you so that you're able to fit within your budget.